Hey guys, this is the siren test number 4. I just woke up. You see over here, it is 11:44.
That's probably good.
Alright, I'm starting recording now. You guys see that? That siren's leading. I think like next door, well, the high wind picks up. I think that siren test could be knocked down. It is 11:50. Yeah, it's freezing out here. Well, you can see all the traffic go by. Oh god, what's going on here? Yeah. Alright, enjoy the view. Where's that starting? It started like about now. Okay.
What time you got?
Well, I think that's all. That's kind of a bit short. Actually a long video now. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe, and happy holiday.